Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and I hope you like today's video. Today we're actually continuing our series, Morning Coffee with Chellbee, where it's all about encouragement and upliftment, getting your day started with Jesus the right way. So without further ado, today is actually going to be a day where I'm going to be sharing an affirmation. And for those of you who have recently suffered any kind of loss, I hope this affirmation speaks to you. It's something that I actually wrote when I experienced my miscarriage. So yeah, let me just jump right into it. I may have lost, but I am not lost. Because I have you, Lord, this loss is simply an intervention. I declare that blessings are coming my way. Pain is temporary because I am yours. If you've recently experienced a loss or you're struggling with some type of suffering, pain of any sort, I hope that this uplifted your day. If you want the affirmation just to save it for yourself personally, make sure you check out the description box. There will be a link to the blog post where I've actually written out the affirmation for you so that you can take it with you, carry it close to your heart and repeat it to yourselves during your time of need. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. This is the second of very many videos coming on the Morning Coffee with Chellbee. I hope you guys have a blessed day and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. Bye!